Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. This video is about the schedule of this month and I will tell you about when and what I am gonna bring for you this month. But before that, let me introduce myself real quick. I am Tayyab, basically a self-learner graphic designer. I have been learning and doing this for the last 2 years, and the purpose of making this YouTube channel is basically I wanna share everything I learned with my experiences in these previous years, like what you people should do as a graphic designer and what not. And I know there are a lot of channels and mentors and countless courses out there, and of course their content and experiences are much better than mine, but I believe everyone has their own experiences, and that's my biggest motivation to teach you every single thing that I know about this field. So without any further ado, let's see this month's schedule. So this will be the schedule of the month of September. I will upload 4 videos on these mentioned dates. The first video that I will upload on 5th of September will be about web designing. Basically, it can be anything about web designing. For example, about typography, fonts, colors, photos, and designing software, mockups, or maybe designing a landing page or a section of it. The next video will be on 12th September. This video will be about app designing, and similar to web designing, the video can be about anything like choosing the right fonts, typography, photos, using grids, using designing software, mockups, or designing an app. On 19th September, I will be doing a video on Photoshop in which I can do Photoshop tutorials about editing photos, color grading, photo manipulation, banner designs, and business card designs, etc. Also, you guys can let me know about anything you wanna learn, and I will surely make a video about that. And last but not the least, on the 26th of September, I will be doing a surprise video. It can be about anything related to our field. For example, providing some mockups, Photoshop presets, website templates, or designing something else which is not mentioned earlier. It can also be a video suggested or requested by you guys. So stay tuned for some exciting content from which you guys will learn something for sure. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, where you can ask me anything you want. That's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.